Today, in this video we will see how to download and install pre-installed open-source EDA tools in VirtualBox. Type electronicsed.com in search bar and press enter. Click on Block. Click on Open Source EDA Tools Installation article. Scroll down in Table of Contents and click on Download Pre-installed Ubuntu file and click Download button. You will be redirected to Mega. Click Download and select Download as zip. After downloading from Mega, you get zip file. Extract the zip file. You get a folder called Open Source EDA Tools. Double-click and open it. Please read the README file. For extracting the Ubuntu file, we need to only extract the first file, named as electronicsed7z. It takes some time to extract the file, as file size is around 21 gigabytes. Now, we need to import the OVA file into VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox. Click on Import. Locate the OVA file and click on Open. Do not change any settings and just click on Finish. The importing process begin. Please wait for 30 minutes. After importing file, you can see the electronic ed. Click on Start and booting process of Ubuntu begins. This version of Ubuntu is pre-installed with analog and digital tools. You can check the Tools and Tools directory located on the desktop.